The Waves team is one of the most exciting stories in all of cryptocurrency. This decentralized platform is building a new global economy that could change everything for good. What's going on with the Waves cryptocurrency? We hear that there is a new development in the way contracts are being handled and its application of the ICO model. But there is more. Welcome to Crypton. Before we get to it, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Now, with that being said, let's dive right into this. What is Wavescoin? This is a blockchain platform for creating, distributing, and trading custom tokens, smart contracts, and decentralized applications. It allows users to create their own tokens to be exchanged for any other token in its ecosystem. This cryptocurrency was created by Sasha Ivanov, who also created NXT. The project aims to create a decentralized platform where anyone can create their own tokens and trade them on the market. The blockchain uses its own token, Waves. The token has been around since 2014, when it was launched as an open source project on GitHub under the name NXT. In 2016, the NXT team renamed it Waves after receiving funding from the Russian venture capitalist firm Digital Currency Group. The platform allows anyone with a computer and internet connection to participate in the digital economy. It allows individuals or organizations to create their own blockchain tokens and raise funds through an ICO. It is flexible and scalable, providing users with a powerful toolkit to develop their own tokens while providing a user-friendly interface for both developers and users. Waves was launched later that year, with its first ICO in January of 2017, raising over $16 million. Since then, it's been used by thousands of ICOs to launch their own tokens. This crypto is currently ranked 69th among all cryptocurrencies by market cap, with a total circulating supply of about 109 million coins. The number is expected to climb steadily as new waves are created through mining and selling on exchanges. Features and goals of the Wave project. The Waves cryptocurrency future is a project to create a new blockchain platform that will be able to function as a decentralized marketplace and will support the development of decentralized applications. This may sound like a lot, but it's pretty straightforward. You can use your custom tokens on any platform that supports them. For example, you could create custom tokens for your store or game and have them be used on other platforms. This platform is open source too, meaning that anyone can access the source code and make changes to it. In addition, it's also decentralized, meaning that no one person or group has control over the network. This means that if one person decides to attack another, they won't be able to do so quickly because there are too many nodes on the network to attack them all at once. The currency is designed as an incentive mechanism that rewards holders with a percentage of the fees generated by dApps running on its blockchain. Developers are also rewarded but receive less than holders because they take longer-term risks when developing projects that may not generate revenue for years or even decades. The team has announced that they plan on creating an ICO-like token sale in which investors can buy tokens directly from them at a discount. This will allow them to raise funds by selling tokens directly to investors rather through an ICO, which is more common today with companies like Ethereum, Neo, and EOS. The team also hopes this model will be more cost-effective for both the company and its investors, while also providing better security because fewer parties are involved in the process. Furthermore, it should provide greater transparency and eliminate issues with fraud or stolen funds associated with ICOs. The ICO model is also more popular now among cryptocurrencies because it allows companies to raise money without going through traditional venture capital firms or angel investors like in many traditional business models. They are working hard on improving their product and making it more useful for users worldwide and have recently added support from multiple languages, which means that anyone who wants to use Waves can do so in their own language. Updates and future development. Waves recently announced the creation of a decentralized autonomous organization. Tokenomica and Waves Enterprises make up the council. The purpose of the DAO was to implement the choices made by the community. Since the protocol is open source, anybody may use the current code in their creations and improvements. Several large accounts were liquidated, and their collateral has been taken over to benefit the Waves ecosystem. On April 1st, its algorithmic stablecoin, Neutrino USD, likewise lost its dollar peg and was decoupled from Terra's UST stablecoin. Curve Finance's USDN liquidity pool saw a lot of coin selling. Despite the NUSD's current value of $0.68, it is still tied to the dollar at a 1-to-1 ratio. They came up with a solution to avoid this from happening again. Its new policy is to limit APR borrowing to $400 to prevent the sale of tokens in a frenzy. To avoid being liquidated, borrowers must now repay 99.98% of their borrowed funds. The daily withdrawal limit for USDT and USDC in the ecosystem has been set at $1,000 for all DeFi protocols. Thus, the usage of DeFi bits and whales, which have the potential to quickly drain a protocol's liquid assets, is no longer an option. Waves, which claims to be an easy-to-use platform for developers, has added Java and Go libraries to its protocol. The Waves blockchain upgrade will be released to support all functionalities. Why you should look out for Waves. 1. Easy-to-use interface. This blockchain platform aims to provide an easy-to-use interface for businesses and developers to create their own custom digital tokens. The platform can also revolutionize how we interact with our money, and it could be a huge boon for businesses that want to expand their reach or build their customer base. The blockchain has been designed with scalability, which means it can handle massive volumes of transactions without slowing down or losing data integrity. 2. Low fees. The charges are very low, only 0.1% per transaction, much lower than many other platforms, including Ethereum. This makes this crypto an excellent choice for both small and large enterprises, allowing them to save money on transaction costs while making their transactions faster and more efficient. 3. Flexible smart contracts. The platform includes something called smart contracts. These ones are customizable programs that enable users to write their own code and execute it on the blockchain without worrying about third-party interference or censorship attacks. These smart contracts allow users to create and execute certain financial agreements without requiring lawyers or other intermediaries. They're similar to traditional contracts in some ways, but they can be modified by anyone on the network at any time without needing approval from someone else first, which means you don't have to pay an attorney. With the help of smart contracts on the blockchain, it's possible to create an entire ecosystem based on trustless peer-to-peer transactions without having to rely on third parties such as banks or governments. 4. Decentralized exchange. One of the most appealing aspects of the Waves platform is its decentralized exchange, which allows users to trade between different cryptocurrencies without relying on centralized exchanges like Coinbase or Binance. This makes it easier for users to enter new markets and diversify their investment portfolios. 5. Privacy. One of the biggest reasons to watch for Waves is their commitment to privacy. They're working on a solution called the Ocean, which will allow users to keep their personal information private by using a decentralized ledger that doesn't require users to upload personal data. 6. Community. Another reason you should be excited about this crypto is because they have a large community of users actively developing new features and applications for the platform. This means that there are opportunities for you as an investor to realize big gains if you get in early enough before the price goes up. As a project that prioritizes the simplicity of onboarding developers, Waves has created a DAO, giving the community additional control. Price updates. While other cryptocurrencies have been volatile and have had short-term declines, Waves has shown consistency in its growth. This makes it more attractive to investors looking for long-term gains rather than quick ones. After a 3-week low of $4.6 on May 27th, it surged to a 3-week high of $11.28. It then fell as low as $9.2 after the huge rise. At $4.4, it is the 69th most valuable cryptocurrency with a market cap of $1.07 billion. The trading volume seems to have risen due to the revitalization strategy. From 173.4 million on May 28th to 3.8 billion on June 1st, the daily trading volume of this crypto reached a new high. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly leave a like if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos just like this. See you in the next one.